All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Anne-Marie and Sonta, My Love. All right, so this is about easy strumming. We have this chords going on, very simple, almost in the same way through the entire song. I'm gonna come to that. First setup, we have capo on first. That is the best scenario for us. If you don't have any, then skip that one and play without. Follow the same chords. It will sound a little bit darker for you, but still this is the best chords to follow that I'm going to teach you. So let's go into it. We're going to start with A minor first. So that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the F, which is a bar chord. So index finger on the first, pushing down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. All right, so there we have the different chords. Now, we're gonna play the string pattern first, learn that, and then go into the chord progression. So we're gonna look into the transition from A minor to G, and together they build up one full string around. So we have two different parts here. Starting with A minor, grab that one, and the first start goes like that. So it's down, down, up, clap. That's it for A minor, part one. Then you go into G and play part two. It goes like this. So it's first one down, short pause, and then comes down, up, clap, down, up. And that's it. So if you push them together, these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, then down, down, up, clap, down, up, like this. Okay, then you just apply the same principles on the next two chords, and that will be E minor to F. So E minor is played in the same way as A minor, and then F in the same way as G. So A minor G, E minor F, that's the first half of it. The second half goes A minor G in the same way as the first one. Then you have E minor, part one. So till this point, you play exactly the same. The ending here is different. You're gonna play F, down, down, up, and then G, down, down, up. So instead of playing the F part two as you had in the first half, you play now F, down, down, up, G, down, down, up. And that will end the second half, and you just roll that. So I'm gonna play one full round for you. It goes like this. Then second round. And that, my friends, is how you play it. You have four chords and they kind of go in the same way through the entire song. I think you understand that by now, and I hope that helped you, and hope to see you soon here on this channel. Be back, and yeah, have a good one. Play tuned.